This is 4th standard social studies, 13th chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Industries. See children, in this chapter we are going to learn about our industries. In this our industries chapter, we are discussing about the requirement of industries, classification of industries, some important industries in India, and role of industries in the development of our country. India is an agricultural country. About 68% of the population in India lives in rural areas. They produce large amount of raw materials like sugarcane, cotton, tea, food grains, etc. Many of these resources, however, cannot be used directly. Can we use the wheat, cotton, tea leaves, logs of wood, and iron ore directly? No, we cannot. This is because they are raw materials. To be able to use them, we need to convert them into finished goods such as bread, cloth, tea, furniture, and utensils. Raw materials are converted into finished goods by an industry. See children, India is based on agriculture. About 68% of the population of India lives in rural areas, and they depends on agriculture, and they produce large amount of raw materials which are required for the industries such as sugarcane, cotton, tea, food grains, etc. Okay. These raw materials cannot be used directly, so we need to convert it to these raw materials into finished goods, such as finished goods are bread, cloth, tea, furniture, and utensils. Raw materials are converted into finished goods by an industry. Let us learn about the requirements of industries. To set up an industry, certain things are required. Raw materials. Raw materials are the basic commodities which are required in the process of manufacturing products. For example, jute is required for making rope and carpets. Crude oil is a raw material for the petroleum industry. See children, to set up an industry, certain things are required. Among them, raw materials. Raw materials are the basic commodity required for the process of manufacturing finished goods. For example, jute is required for making rope and carpets, and crude oil is required to produce petroleum. Okay. Next, machine. We require machines to turn raw materials into finished products. For example, tea leaves are processed into fine tea with the help of machines. Next requirement of industry is machine. Industries require machines. We require machines to turn the raw materials into finished goods. If we want to turn the raw materials into finished products, means machine is important. For example, tea leaves are converted into fine tea with the help of machines, isn't it? So machine is required for the industries. Next, land or place. Choosing of the place is important to set up an industry, because the right place is required to acquire raw materials from their sources and distribute the fine products to their destination. Land or place also is required for the industries. Okay. Choosing the place is an important for the setup of industries, because that right place is required to acquire raw materials from the sources, and that raw finished goods also have to reach their destination. So land or place is also required for the industries. Next, electricity also required for the industries. Electricity. Without electricity, it is impossible for the machine to operate. Electricity is also required for lighting factories. See, electricity also important for the running of industries. Okay, electricity also required for the lighting of the factories. Next one is water. Many industries like cotton, textile, jute, etc. require water, which is an important factor. Therefore, most of the industries are located near rivers or water bodies. Next one factor which is required for the running of industry is water. See, many industries are located near the water bodies, so that they can run easily the industries. Water is essential for the industries. Next one, requirement of the industry is manpower. Various forms of manpower such as engineers, scientists, managers and labor are required to run an industry. Next requirement of factory industries is manpower. Various forms of manpower also need to run the industries, such as engineers, scientists, managers and laborers are required for the run of the industries. Next one, factor is finance. Money is most important resource for setting up of an industry. It is needed to buy land, raw materials, machines and pay wages to the workers. See, finance also required for the running of industries. Money is most important resources for setting up an industry. Why do these money is needed to this finance is needed to buy land, raw materials, machines and to pay the wages for the workers, isn't it? Next requirement of the factor industries is transport. Transport helps in bringing raw materials from the market to the factory and to send the finished products to different markets of the country and all over the world. Transport also required for the running of industries. Why do these transport need for the running of the industries? Because that transport helps to bring the raw materials from the market to the factory, and it is also needed to send the finished products for the different markets of the country and all over the world, isn't it?